Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and welcome to my channel. You would have thought that we have seen all the ways of doing inference with these models, but then another method or way or tool pops up. In this video, I am going to show how you can do inference with quantized models on CPU with the help of pure C++ implementation with the help of ChatLLM.cpp. We are going to install it locally and then we will see how it works. You can use it on Windows, Linux or Mac or wherever you have C++ compatibility. So let's get started. Before I move forward, let me also give a huge shout out to AgentQL who are sponsoring the video. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. It is quite reusable and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so coming back to this ChatLLM.cpp, as I said, quite a nifty tool. It gives you accelerated memory efficient CPU inference with int4 and int8 quantization. It has got optimized KV cache and parallel computing. This is where I'm running my Ubuntu 22.04. So let's create a virtual environment with Conda and I'm using 3.11. While it installs, also let me tell you about this ChatLLM.cpp a bit more. It gives you continuous chatting, so it means that you can just extend your context length as much as possible. Also, it is mainly geared towards CPU. So if you don't have a GPU, if you just want to run your models in terminal on your CPU in quantized format and you really don't worry about anything else, I think this is a good option. Okay, so let's wait for this to get created. And that is done. Let's git clone the repo of this ChatLLM.cpp and I will drop the link to it in video's description. That is also done. Also make sure that if you have want to do the recursive from the git submodule, let's do it. And then we need to install all the requirements from the repo. Let's wait for it to finish. Shouldn't take too long. I think most of the stuff should already be on my machine. And all the requirements are done. One prerequisite which you would need and which is normally available on the Linux based systems and even on Windows is to have the CMake. I already have this CMake and this is the latest version because we need to build the bindings in order to get the C++ working. So let me run this command. And now it is building the bindings as you can see here. So let's wait for it. It is going to take a bit of a time. And you might get these warnings which you can ignore. It is 87% done. Okay, so everything is built now. Let me clear the screen here. And I'm in the build directory, by the way. Okay, so let's go back one directory and let's clear the screen. And then we need to go to the scripts directory within the root repo. And from there, we can run the Streamlit demo, which is going to run the script, which is provided in the repo already. ST is for Streamlit, and then the colon shows that if this model doesn't exist already, it is going to download it in quantized format. And there you go. As soon as I ran it, it has just launched it in the browser at the localhost at port 8501. So you see, first time when we have run it, it is now downloading this model. So let's wait for it to finish. It takes a bit of a time. And it is totally using CPU. No GPU is involved at all. It doesn't have the support. Also, for this VM, I would like to thank Massed Compute who are sponsoring not only the VM and the GPU. We are not using GPU, but there is a GPU on this machine. If you like to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, so let's wait for it to get downloaded. The whole model almost there. And there are various other models which you can check from their GitHub repo. And they also provide a convert script which you can use to convert the model to the GGML format to be compatible with this tool. Okay, so the model is downloaded and we have this chat option here. You can just start chatting with it. See, speed is quite good. I'm just asking it random questions. What is happiness? It is running quite good. Okay, nothing on the terminal, which is fine. But you look at the speed, looks really good to me. And this is the model Quen 2.5. You can use llamas, you can use various other models. And now let me ask it to write a bit longer. So I'm asking it to write me a research paper on dataset preparation for an AI model, come up with some new idea. Let's see, and I will let it run so that you could see the speed. There you go. You see, not bad at all. It's all running on CPU. So all of those who keep asking me about CPU stuff, I think this is a very good option. This ChatLLM.cpp, and now you know how to get it installed. There you go. And you also get a graphical user interface with it. And if you read through it, for example, let me read this conclusion, that in conclusion, improving the performance of an AI model by preparing a data cell is essential. So if you really go through it, it is not a gibberish. It is properly well thought out answer by a model. Where it, for example, for the research paper, it has given me the new idea, synthetic data, and all the cross validation and the conclusion. So not bad at all. Let's try out a coding one. And the quality of response would also depend upon the quantization level and the model you are using. But if you look at the tool and the framework, this ChatLLM.cpp, that looks quite good. So for example, I'm asking it generate a C++ class representing a basic calculator with methods for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's run it. There you go. Look at this. How good is that? It's as good as any. And you can see the speed too. Not bad at all. So not only from the language perspective, from coding perspective, if you ask it to just run these models on a very quantized format, locally you can simply run it. I think there's also an option that if you could get this running on your mobile, you could also run it on Android. But I also have done another video where I have shown you some tooling around to run it on the mobile, because I know this will be the next question. But anyway, I believe fairly good tool, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. One thing I forgot to mention, or I'm not sure if I mentioned, is that if you scroll down to their repo, they also provide you a script to convert it. So I don't have it. Sorry, let me go up. So go to scripts. And then if there is any model you want to convert, you can use their convert script, which should be here somewhere, which you can check out. So, and it's fairly easy. You just do convert.py, provide the script, and it converts the model for you in the GGML. But you would need a very good system for that. It takes a bit of a time too. Anyway, that is a topic for another video if you are struggling. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.